Hello everyone, I'm great to welcome back to Tian Home English class with Engineer. Today we are moving on from single vowel sounds in the previous lesson to combination sounds, and I'm going to help you how to see two vowels combined to make a new sound. This sound come from the back of the mouth and the position of the mouth is narrow. This sound come from the middle of the mouth and the position of the mouth is little bigger. Now listen and repeat after me. E, a, e, a. They combine to make the new sound ear, 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 ear. Ear is to hear something. This sound comes from the middle of the mouth and the position of the mouth is little bigger. E, 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 e. They combine to make the new sound. A, a. L, l. Play, play. This sound comes from the front of the mouth and the position of the mouth is narrow. The position of the mouth is middle. U, a, u, a. They combine. U, u. Poor, poor. O, e, o, e, o, e. Oi, oi. Toy, toy. A, u, a, u. Combine. O, o. Cold, very cold. E, a, e, a. Air, air. Hair, hair. R, R, E, E. I, I. Buy, buy. If we have money, we buy something. Buy, buy. This buy is this buy has meaning different from this buy. This buy is we go to school by bicycle, we go to school by bus, we go to school by train, we go to school by car. Listen again, one more thing. E, a, e, a. Ear, ear, ear. ear, o, o, or, poor, poor, no money, no money, o, o, e, e, o, e, o, e, oil, toy, a, o, a, o, oh, cold, cold, I'm very cold, e, e, a, a, air, air, hair, ah, ah, e, e, I, by, ah, ah, o, o, ow, ow, how, how, how are you? How old are you? How is the weather today? Through watching my mouth, it's easy for you to see. It's easy to it's easy to you for you to see almost the single vowel sound. The sound come from the branch of the mouth and the middle of the mouth. Except this sound, the sound come from the back of the mouth. And here we have 9 combination sounds. In the first lesson, we have 12 single vowel sound, and here we have 9 combination sounds are formed from single vowel sound. The lesson nearly complete, nearly finished, and I only have some words to remind you. If you have time, you spend your time on reviewing a single vowel sound, and you try to combine two vowels to make combination sounds, and you try to speak you try to make a pronunciation of single vowel sound and combination sound. Um, in the next lesson, uh, I am going to I am going to introduce you the pathway consonant, and um, when you know all international phonetic alphabet, uh, including single vowel sound, combination sound, and consonant. You can speak, you can you can pronounce any words based on dictionary. So now it's time to finish. Um, I'm very great. I'm very great to be here with you on this lesson. And goodbye, and goodbye. See you again on next lesson. Thank you. Bye bye.